Hi everyone, having trouble with your BuzzTV P6? Today's guide will walk you through a soft reset process to get your device back on track. Just a heads up, performing a factory reset will erase all your data. But don't worry, you can back up your settings using the backup and restore function if needed. Let's begin by turning on your BuzzTV device. Once it's booted up, navigate to the home screen. From there, look for the settings menu in the top right corner and open it. Inside Settings, head over to Device Preferences, then scroll down until you find About. Select About and you should see a Factory Reset option. Choose Factory Reset and confirm on the following screens. Your BuzzTV P6 will now restart to perform the soft reset. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the reset is complete, your BuzzTV P6 will return to the home screen all fresh and ready to go. By following these steps, you should have successfully soft reset your device. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult the P6 user manual linked in the description. Thanks for watching!